In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Microsoft accounts in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening the Start menu and clicking Settings. Once the Settings window opens, select Accounts from the left sidebar. Next, click Your Info. This section displays information about the Microsoft account currently connected to your Windows 11 device. Here you can review details such as your account name, email address, and account type. If you want to update your profile picture using your webcam, locate the Take a Photo section and click Open Camera. Follow the prompts on your screen to capture and save a new profile image. If you already have a picture saved on your computer, go to the Choose a File section and click Browse Files. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and confirm your choice to upload the new profile picture. After that, scroll down to the Account Settings section. If you'd like to switch from a Microsoft account to a local account, click Sign in with a local account instead. Windows will guide you through the remaining steps, so simply follow the on-screen instructions if you decide to make that change. Next, find the related settings area and click Manage My Accounts. This will open additional Microsoft account management options in your web browser. On the Microsoft account page, review the available account settings and any connected Microsoft services. From here, you can update account information, adjust security settings, and make changes to your profile details as needed. Once you've finished making any changes, return to the Windows Settings window. Finally, verify that your account information and profile picture have been updated successfully. Keeping your Microsoft account information current helps ensure that your Windows 11 settings, preferences, and Microsoft services remain synchronized across your devices. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.